y'all, good afternoon. We are headed to go get my camera. Ooh. We headed to go get my camera. We are headed to Best Buy. I will be getting a little bit of footage while we are in there, or while we're in there. Why you always gotta roll your eyes when I'm talking on my vlog? She always in the background rolling her eyes like she got a problem with me. But yeah, we about to go inside Best Buy. Looked online, it said that they had it. It said they literally had one left, so hopefully the count is right and it's not the display, because we don't got time for the display model today. So yeah, I will check back in with y'all very shortly. Alright y'all, update. Just left Best Buy after waiting for probably over 15 minutes or so, 10, 15, 20, I don't know. After waiting, the guy told us, he was gonna send somebody over. We were sitting there waiting, nobody ever came. So I pulled up to the register to ask the girl, can she go get it? Y'all, the camera was sold out. So at this point, it's probably gonna be a order online situation at a different location and just pick it up, or just order online and let it come to the house. But that irritated my whole soul. I'm over it. Like, I'm excited to get the camera, but bro, Best Buy's customer service is trash. It ain't even the fact that the camera wasn't there, it's the fact that we waited that long after we were told that somebody was gonna come help us. All right y'all, we are back out, about to go to the next closest Best Buy to get this camera. And I'm gonna walk up in there and I'm not gonna say, hey, can you get somebody to come help me with a camera? I'm gonna say, can you, the person I'm talking to, can you go get this camera for me? Thank you. And I'm gonna go on about my business. So we'll see y'all at Best Buy.
6-inch heels, she walked in the club like nobody's business. Goddamn, she murdered everybody and I was her witness. Stacking money everywhere she goes.
Alright y'all, after them searching all over the store in different compartments, because the camera wasn't underneath in the little storage area that it was supposed to be in, right up under the camera. So the guy and then some of his co-workers, they had to kind of search all over the store and they finally found it. First he came with the ZV-1, which is not the one I wanted, because I looked at some reviews and I feel like the ZV-1F will fit my needs a little bit better. So yeah, after searching, girl, but yeah, after searching, they finally found it for me. And I will say, this location, the Mansfield location, Best Buy, was great with customer service. Literally, I was waiting in line at the register so I could ask the guy at the register for his assistance, but another guy came up and he was like, ma'am, do you need help? Immediately, he went to go look for me, and then even after that, when I was waiting on him to go find the camera, one of his co-workers came up and was like, have you been helped, ma'am? That's what I'm talking about. So shout out to Mansfield, Texas, Best Buy, because they was on point with customer service. Literally, the whole team stopped what they was doing and went around the store and helped him find that camera for me. So I appreciate it, and now we are headed to Five Below, because that's where Madison want to go. She's still on the hunt for these jelly beans, y'all, so that's where we headed next.
Been waiting so long, I'm here to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting that long. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know that my die.
Hey y'all, I am here to do my unboxing of my Sony ZV-1F. This will probably be one of my last videos that I'll be doing on my iPhone, so I just wanted to go ahead and open it with y'all since I've been talking about it and since I made the video yesterday when I got it. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed. So I got it from Best Buy, and I sure been wanting to open it, but I didn't want to open it until I did my unboxing video. So to get me started, I got a 128 gigabyte memory card. Okay, this is the box that it came in. Cute little box, nice and compact. And then I'll just read the back of the box, the bottom of the box, to let y'all know what's inside. It's a rechargeable battery pack. It comes with the USB Type-C cable, and it has the windscreen. So yeah, here we go. Let's go ahead and get it unboxed. Make sure I don't damage the box. Okay, just like with any electronic, instructions. Instructions, warranties, all of that. I'm gonna toss that to the side. Okay, first up, this is my little windscreen. When you see content creators and vloggers with the little furry piece on top of the camera, that's the windscreen. It's basically the little thing that goes on top of the microphone, so it's not a lot of like background noise, and so it's like real clear. Toss that on the ground. And then the charging cable. Let's get to the camera. And it looks like there's one more thing on the side. Let me see what it is. Oh, okay, the battery. Ooh, it's so little. So this is the battery. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Okay, so that's the full unboxing. This is the battery. I'm gonna toss the little dust bag or velvet dust bag, whatever it is, to the side. And then here is the actual camera. And the reason I got the Sony ZV-1F was because it was the one that came out most recently. It came out, I believe, October 2022. And then I looked at a bunch of reviews, and since I'm going to be using it solely for vlogging, I figured why not get the one that's best for solely vlogging. Like, I plan to, of course, take some pictures here and there, but my sole purpose is going to be to vlog with it. So here it is. The buttons and all of that. The bottom, that's where I'll be screwing it onto my little tripod. And then there's the little shotgun piece where I'm sure the windscreen will go, and then maybe if I were to get like a flash or anything to add on later. And then the little door right there for the battery. I'm honestly hoping that it's a little bit charged up because I actually want to use it today. But if it's not, that's fine. I'll just be vlogging again from my phone. So yeah, here it is, y'all. Let me get close. And as y'all can see, it's very compact. That's another reason why I got this one versus the other ones. The other ones are just a little bit obviously heavier and just a little bit more bulky from what I saw in all the reviews that I watched on YouTube. And I like little compact electronics. So yeah, that completes the unboxing. And I'll take off the little lens cover here. You just pinch it in and pull it off. But yeah, y'all, I'm excited. That completes the unboxing. And then of course, if I can get it on right away, I'll start vlogging from it today. And if not, then I'll be charging it up while we're out. I'm gonna put the memory card in it, I'm gonna put the battery in it. And if it's not charged up, I'm gonna just be charging it in the car because I got a USB port in the car. So yep, thank y'all for watching my unboxing. See y'all soon. Hey y'all, I decided to come back so that I could go ahead and get it set up with y'all. So I just put the battery in, and it was real easy. You just slip it in, and you'll know if you have it in right or wrong, because when you have it in the right way, the little door and everything locks back into place perfectly. If you got it in wrong, like I had it at first, then it's not gonna close like it needs to. So I just powered it on, and then it's just basically asking me what language I want it to be in. So I'm gonna put English, and it is touchscreen, so that's perfect. And it just says certain features of this camera may involve the use of biometric data You are responsible for your collection and use of such data in compliance with applicable local law. For more details, please visit the website below. And it's the Sony website. So you basically gotta say that, you know, I understand. It says connect the smartphone. It says simplifies initial camera settings and various functions such as image transfer can be used. So I'm not gonna connect my phone right now, seeing as how I'm using it to not to connect, but seeing as how I'm using it to record this video, I'm not gonna use that feature right now, so do not connect. It says registration can be performed later from a smartphone, registration in the menu. So I won't be doing that right now, but I will do it later. And it's just wanting me to set my area, date, and time. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And it literally just lets you go to all the different locations all over the world so that you can set it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set mine so that it does the correct time zone. Alright. So I'm doing my area setting. I'm gonna go to OK. And I'm gonna do month, day, year, because they have the option here for you to do the different date formats. I'm gonna do month, day, year. So today is March the 17th. And it's 2023. And I actually don't know what time it is, so I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna come back, but I'm gonna check the time. Hold on. All right, I'm back. I checked the time. It's 1:35. 1:35 p.m. It says when shooting from a tripod, instead of shooting while holding the device, it says setting auto power off temp to high to extend the recording time. Would you like to set? I'll do that later too. And it's basically telling me that there's no memory card in it because all I did was put the battery in. I didn't do the memory card yet. So I'm gonna have to get used to it. I'm already excited, but I'm gonna definitely have to get used to it. So the screen obviously is for when you're, you know, recording yourself. You can see yourself and then you can obviously reverse it. So if I were to, you know, want to shoot somebody else, I can just, I almost turned it the wrong way. I can reverse it this way. Y'all, I'm excited. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm gonna play with this for a few more minutes, and me and Madison are about to run some errands. But yeah, I'm excited, and just by looking at it, it has a pretty good charge. It actually looks like it's more than halfway charged. So that's perfect, but I'm gonna still be charging it while I'm in the car. And it looks really good. The quality looks very good. I haven't messed obviously with any of the settings or anything. I know that it does have some, like, I guess built-in features like soft face and stuff like that, if I'm not mistaken, from the reviews that I read. But yeah, this is dope, y'all. I'm excited. All right, I'm gonna end the video here for real this time, and then the next time y'all see a vlog, this is what I'll be vlogging from. I gotta order me a case for it and all of that. But yeah, so I'm gonna be very careful. I'm gonna bring a big purse today so that I don't drop it, and I'm gonna put it back in this little bag that it came in for now, so that I don't have no accidents and so nothing scratches it. Okay, y'all, see y'all later.